Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left here, you're looking at our vegetable, fruit, and bread display. Okay, so this is going to be one of our brand new styles. As you can see, we have a total of 5 rows here, a total of 10 of these trays or baskets. Okay, so you can take these out, place them back inside. These are made of plastic, and the material of the frame is going to be metal. Okay, so you have a total of 10 baskets. Obviously, we got 5 rows. And I'm going to go ahead and measure this display for you. I'll also measure the baskets for you so you have an idea what they measure. For the length on this display, you're looking at a total of about 47 inches. Front to back, you're looking at a total of 14. And the overall height of this frame, you're looking at a total of 56 inches. And it'll be about 60 inches up on top to the top of this basket right here. Okay, so measurements for the baskets, which will be included with the frame. Okay, measurements, you're looking at 22.5 by 15 by 3.5 inches. Okay, so those are the measurements for the baskets. As I mentioned, they are included. You have a total of 10 baskets for this display. You have 5 rows. Okay, so this is a little demonstration on our fruit, vegetable, and bread display. If you're interested in one of these styles, go on our website, coolerdepotusa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact one. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call, and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.